Today we're going to be diving into the world of prime lenses, specifically with the Canon RF f1.8. I'm going to go over some of its benefits, its features, but I'm also just going to go through how versatile this little lens is for both photography and videography alike, for both beginners and professionals. Let's get into it. So as with any lens system, any camera system, it'll take some time to get used to how your style of shooting is, what you like to shoot, etc. We all know Canon does very well in the game, as with Sony and many other brands out there. Now for this lens, MSRP at the purchase time when I got it was $150 US. For what you're getting with this lens, it's an absolute steal. This lens really hits the marks on pretty much every level. Right now we're using a Polar Pro neutral density plus polarizer on the front of, and now we're filming now with the Canon R5C. So as you can see in some of the clips that I posted, this thing really levels up your quality of shots. Photo, video, portrait, landscape. You know, it's going to be a little tight. It's not a wide angle lens, so you're going to have a little bit of selective, you know, kind of finding where you want to shoot the picture. But the cool thing about, lenses is if you're at a fixed length with a prime lens such as this, you can step away from the subject to get more of the subject if you want, or you can come all the way in as tight as possible, you know, photo and video. These are the types of things where you have to take your time, you have to practice. Don't rush into things. If you feel like you want to take better photos or do better videos, do all the research you want, but you actually have to get out and shoot. You got to pick up the camera. So get out there and shoot something today. Get out there and create a short video. Take some shots of your friends, your family. It doesn't matter what it is. Have an awesome day. Listen, if I've provided any value for you guys here today, I'd greatly appreciate a like and a subscribe, and it will definitely help grow the channel, and it'll help to get these kind of videos out to either newer creators, intermediate, and maybe even some advanced. They can kind of give me some feedback on my own style. So thank you so much for tuning in. This is Kevin Haggerty. Have an awesome day. Take care.